businesses are investing quite significant amounts of money in these systems. For us, it's really, really important that that is transparent, and so the client can see what the system is doing. We don't want people to invest literally hundreds of thousands of dollars and then be unsure as to whether it's doing what it should be doing. Yes, they're getting a reduction on the bill, but they want to be able to quantify that. So part of the newer technology allows us to look at the system in detail. With this system, we can see exactly what it's producing. We can see exactly what the shopping centre is consuming. We can see exactly how much of the energy that we're producing is being consumed in the shopping centre, how much is going back to the grid, and then also how much power is coming from the grid overnight. With that information, the shopping centre can also make some other key decisions. Like there might be some things that they can do outside of hours that aren't related to the solar that can reduce their consumption, which can further bring down their bills. So they might have things running unnecessarily, which will show up in the monitoring. So getting that transparency and getting that information on consumption can help make informed decisions about reducing the consumption regardless of the solar being put in. And it's that transparency through the technology that is a key part of the installation. They need to be looked after, they need to be maintained, and they need to be monitored to ensure they're doing what they're doing. If you don't have monitoring, if there's a problem, it might be 3 months or 2 months, whatever it might be, before you realise that there's a problem, and all of a sudden you get an electricity bill that's $5,000 more than it should. With the monitoring, we can see straight away if there's a problem, so we can avoid any kind of issue there where you don't find out about a problem months down the track and it's cost you thousands of dollars.